Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In my previous videos, we have discussed about Python modules and how to create the own modules and how to import the own modules in Python, already explained in my previous videos. So now here in this video, I am going to discuss about example of own modules in Python. So first create the Python modules. To create a Python module, so open a Python script, write some statements and functions and save it this Python program by with .py extension. So what is a Python module? A Python module is any Python file with .py extension. So first save that program with .py extension. Later on we can call and use these modules anywhere in our program. So let us create new module named. Now here I will create the one program. That module name is math operation module. Math operation module. So this is the example of the one module. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of a function uh, using function program. Using this function program accessed by another program. So this math operation, this module contains functions to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using functions. So now we can call this program, that is math operation program or math operation module, anywhere using the import command. So we can use the import function. We can call this function and we can use these functions to perform the related task. So this is the, and after this program, so using import function, call the math operation using import function. So now we are creating math operation module, def space addition of number 1 comma number 2. So return number 1 plus number 2. So return means it returns the output value. So create similarly, this is the addition program. Similarly, subtraction, def subtraction of number 1 comma number 2 and return number 1 minus number 2 and create the multiplication program, def space multiplication of number 1 comma number 2, return number 1 into number 2. So def division of number 1 comma number 2, return number 1 by number 2. So returns means it returns the output value. So first save the program and run the program. Okay. So this program is successfully saved by math operation.py. So Python module is any Python file with .py extension. So this program I will save math operation.py, and after that I will take another script window. In this script window we can import math operation module using import function. Import space math operation. Okay, that module successfully imported here. Okay, so now here continue the program. We can use let us call this module in our Python program script by using the import command. Check out this to learn more about the Python import function. So print off the sum values. So now where the name of the module is math operation dot. Now here def addition. The name of the function is addition. So this module name dot this name of the function. So that is math operation dot addition of 10 comma 4. Now where the number 1 value is 10, number 2 value is 4. So call the name of the functions. Number 1 value is 10, number 2 value is 4. So return number 1 plus number 2, 10 plus 4, it will get addition value or the sum value is 14. And the second one, print the difference or subtraction values math operation dot subtraction of 100 comma 4. And the number 1 value is 100, number 2 value is 34.
So return of number 1 minus number 2, 100 minus 34, we get the output value on the Python console. So similarly, the print of multiplication, math operation dot multiplication of 4 comma 3. Now where the number 1 value is 4, number 2 value is 3. So multiplication. So written number 1 into number 2, 4 into 3, the output value will be observed on the Python console. And the fourth one is the division, print of the division result is math operation dot division of 200 comma 5. Number 1 value is defined 200, number 2 value is 5. So written of number 1 by number 2, the resultant output value will be observed on the Python console. Now save the program, click on the run module. The output will be observed on the Python console. The sum is 14, the difference is 66, and the multiplication is 4 into 3, 12, and division value is 200 divided by 5. So division value is 40.0, that is a floating point value. So this is the example of creation of the own modules in Python, importing the own modules in Python. Thank you for watching.